How to automatically record video on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to automatically record video on Zoom mobile. And now first thing I'm gonna do is go to Zoom and then click this one, meetings, and then click edit, and then just you will find this one here, automatically record meeting. And if you want to turn it on, just click on it, of course. And then if you want to save, click here. And if you want to turn it off again, go here, and now just click on it and then click save. And that's how to manage automatically record video on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.